This is how you can turn off email notifications from Facebook. When you turn this off, you won't receive any notifications about comments, tags, reminders, and all of this that are turned off now. If you turn them off, you won't receive any notifications from Facebook. Let me quickly show you how you can do that. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. On your Facebook profile, click on the three lines at the top right-hand corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. Next is Profile Settings. Get down to Notification Settings. Choose which notifications you want and where you receive them. Get down to where you receive your notifications. Click on Email. Before now, all of these email notifications are what you receive from Facebook on your email. All these ones turned on are the notifications you receive from Facebook about your account. Once you turn this off, you won't receive any of these notifications again, both comments, tags, reminders, and the rest of them. So to turn it off, click on email frequency. Email frequency. It is on all now. Set it to only about your account. You will only receive notifications about your account, security, and privacy once you turn this on. So I will select this. From now, you won't receive any email notification from Facebook because you've turned this off. So this is how you can turn off email notifications on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please share, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.